And if your tonsils start to get swollen, oil of oregano under the tongue. Oil of oregano will save everything. You'll hate it, you might throw up. I'm Mary Poppins, you're welcome.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you why Katy Perry said to use oregano essential oil at the last American Idol episode. So keep watching.
Oil of oregano will save everything.
If you watched American Idol this week, you'll know that Katy Perry talked about oregano essential oil. Now, she had a few contestants who were not feeling well.
Bless you.
She boldly told them that what they needed to do was take some oregano and put it underneath their tongue.
You'll hate it, you might throw up.
Let me just caution you a little about oregano essential oil. It is one of the hottest essential oils. And I don't mean like super popular. I mean, it physically feels hot when you put it on. So putting it under your tongue is going to be really, really extreme and a crazy flavor to go with that. Typically, when I advise somebody to use oregano essential oil, I often will tell them to dilute it with a little bit of fractionated coconut oil because it's so hot. Now, what does it mean to be a hot oil? That means when you put it on your skin is probably going to turn bright red and it's going to sting. To get rid of that sting, you just have to put a little bit of fractionated coconut oil over it. Now, a lot of people will think, I'm just going to wash it off when it starts to burn. That will actually make it penetrate deeper faster. So using oregano essential oil can be very, very effective. You just got to be careful with it. doTERRA's oregano is the Mediterranean oregano. This is a heavy hitter when it comes to people who are feeling under the weather.
Very good.
It is a great oil to grab and utilize on a daily basis when you're just not feeling well. Now, oregano is one of those oils that you don't want to use for more than 10 days in a row because it goes into your system and it helps clean out the bacteria. Now, we all know we've got good bacteria and bad bacteria in our bodies. And so it's critical and key that we keep that good bacteria flowing. Now, like I said before, when you use oregano, I recommend that you dilute it. If you want to use it straight up, you can also put it in a veggie capsule and swallow that. It's also a great one to put on the bottom of your feet. And if you want to put it on straight up, that's probably the best place to do that. Just remember, when you're using oregano, this is one of the most powerful essential oils that we have. So I agree with Katy Perry.
Oil of oregano will save everything.
If you're not feeling well, grab your oregano. Just be extra careful with it. And if you're going to try it under your tongue, she told you, not me. Thanks so much for watching. That's a little bit about oregano essential oil.
I'm Mary Poppins, you're welcome.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below so you can get updates on all the videos that we release on a daily basis. Have a wonderful day. You are amazing.